welcome back to our channel Wherever We Wander. Today you've just got me and Amber. We trying a place that we've never been to before. So today's video has come from our random walks jar. So I don't know if you've seen that video. If you go back a couple of videos you'll be able to see where we came up with an idea for these days where we don't really have much planned, and we don't really have an idea of what we want to do. We just go into the jar and choose a place. So everywhere in the jar, you what?
Then we have a look at it on the maps and
yeah. So everywhere in the jar is about an hour radius away.
An hour and a half.
Maybe an hour and a half. So this one was 30 minutes away from our house, so it wasn't too bad. And we're excited to see it because hopefully we're going to find a waterfall today, which is something we absolutely love to do if you don't already know. Yeah. So yeah, hope you come along and enjoy us.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed?
Yeah, so when I was reading about this walk, it said that you'd had to cross a river a few times. So we've got to our first bit here, which is like a ford, I think. So now we need to figure out how to get over. It looks quite deep.
Wall on the floor.
Oh well. Oh yeah, so there is. Oh, it shouldn't be too bad. It's still quite deep for the boots though, I think. Let's see. Will do. Bowser's was managing. Oh, it might not be too deep for the boots actually. Oh, it's alright, isn't it?
Oh, you stepped in the hole.
Whoa, it's slippy. Yeah, it's going in. Whoa! That is slippy.
I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close to you.
You said hello and I lost my control in just one tiny second. You do to me what I've seen in the movies, but this really happening. My mind explodes. I can feel my bones shaking to the beat of my bleeding heart. An overload. Don't know how this goes, but I'm pretty sure you just made my world stop. I can't believe my eyes when I get close to you, close to you, close.
Who kills this building? And then you've got a string coming out of it. It's boarded up though, so I'm gonna see if I can see anything around the back.
Close to you, close to you, close to you. Close to you, close to you, close to you. My walls are down, they've been burned to the ground by the voice of an angel. Don't say a word before someone gets hurt, it's just too much to handle. My mind explodes. I can feel my bones shaking to the beat of my bleeding heart. An overload. Don't know how this goes, but I'm
Quite frosty here today, but it is quite warm still, so it feels very strange. Can you see all the frost on the floor? That path that we're on goes up there, and we want to be this way, so we're making it up now.
Being still if things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell. But we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole. Would you say if things ain't right? Look away, look away. What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me, can't
saying to Amber there, I love nothing more than these like little days out where we've never been to this place before and it's just a total new adventure and new things to see. So it really like makes you feel like you're doing something like decent. I don't know.
You just never know what you're gonna like find.
Yeah, that's the good thing about it. You actually never know what you're gonna find. So I love it.
Down the bottom in the home, there's no sane ways, there's no explanations. I've got things I tend to moan. In these times, just please be patient. Be my shoulder.
This is what we are walking in right now. Very muddy, peaty bog. But these are the things you've got to do to find these hidden spots, don't you? I'm hoping we're heading in the right direction, to be honest. I'm sure we'll soon find out. Well, we're deep into the bracken now. The dying off bracken. But I think we're still heading in the right direction. We were on the wrong side of the river at one point and we had to make a quick change in direction. And we are a bit wet on the feet.
I'm not.
Yeah, she's got wellies on today, so she's alright. But it went over the top of my boots, unfortunately. So now I'm just walking in puddles. It's all good though, it's all part of the adventure. So yeah, it's looking like we might be nearly there, hopefully. We've definitely come the wrong way, but this ground is horrendous, but we can see it in the distance here. So our spirits have lifted a little bit, time is ticking on, but we found it. So trying to make our way down now, which is an absolute nightmare because we've definitely took the wrong route somewhere and we're basically in like the worst, boggiest ground ever. But the waterfall does look good to have our dinner beside, so we are pressing on. Time for dinner. How amazing. I'm so glad we found it. Are you? We're going to head back now and try and make our way back as best as we can, to be honest. We have just come through all that bracken, all the way down there with little daft holes everywhere because we got lost.
And poor Bowsy's got little legs.
I know, little leg dogs. So now I'll show you the path that we are. We have found our way to the path.
Yay.
I feel like we're going to make it home now. Oh, thank God for that.
Had a helicopter rescue.
We thought we were going to need rescuing at one point there, my goodness. That's the thing with these places that are out the way. You've got to hope for the best sometimes. As long as you kind of know where you're going, you just got to traipse through it. But we've made it to the path, so...
But we didn't even kind of know, we just didn't.
I know, we'll be back in about an hour, I think. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We really enjoyed our little walk today. I hope you have too. And I hope it gives you some inspiration to get out there and just find something new. Even if it's on your own doorstep, you never know. You might never have seen a place before, so just look on the maps and think, right, I'm going there today.
Or make a jar.
Yeah, make a jar. I'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye!
Bye!